I haven't had this for a while, but the last 2 days, for 2 days this week, I've had the police helicopter buzzing my flat basically, and not just the police helicopter, but a multitude of different helicopters buzzing my flat. So I can't see it now, but it was here, I could hear it. It may come back, but they're being very sneaky with it somewhat now. They're not being as avert with the helicopter shit. I think because they know I'm gonna film it, so what they're doing now is they'll fly it over for a short time and then I'll fly it over once, so I don't get a chance to film it. But yeah, they've still been using aircraft to target me. So but yeah, annoyingly it's gone. Hang on. I think I can hear it. Can you hear it? You can just hear it. Maybe I ought to just hear it. Yeah, you can hear it coming now. There we are. See? There it is. Behind the trees. And this is the targeting. It's hard to see it because it's behind the trees, but you could see it coming up. This is probably in response to my video, because I've noticed at the moment when I've been uploading my videos, they've been sending these helicopters. This is the police helicopter. Just see it up. See it in the distance. There's someone up there. I'm just seeing it through there. But this is what they do. You can hear the engine. These are the cowards that we have to deal with as targeted individuals, where they will use aircraft, they will use cars, they'll use everything you can imagine. I think they're trying to stay just out of my sight so that I can't easily film them. But is it coming round? But this has happened a long time. I'll get the noise campaign from these aircraft, and there it is. Just there, see? That is the police helicopter. That's just one example of the targeting that is done. But I've had this 2 times this week, so there you can see him. See him there. See him. I'm probably going to come for another pass, because that's a common tactic that's done. They'll just fly around my area. They followed me on foot before. I filmed that before on my channel, and this is the same helicopter, by the way, which is the South Yorkshire Police helicopter that they used to target me with. But they've used multiple helicopters as well, but this is the one they like to use a lot, I guess because it's conveniently on the doorstep. But yep, I can't. If they're trying to spy on me, obviously they can't easily because of the trees. But I think it's more for the intimidation and the noise campaign. By the way, when I was in the early stages of this program, I had these helicopters constantly, and it got me very it got me very paranoid, and you can see they're deliberately doing it so I can see it because it keeps flying around in the front. But it would get me very paranoid, and one time I left Sheffield because I was that paranoid, and I went into the Peak District to get away from it all because I thought they were coming for me. You know what I mean? But that's how this paranoia that they create can affect you. So I'm not going to film for much longer, but I'll try and upload this tonight. So as you can see, I've lost it. I can see it. It's just behind there. But this is what I get constantly, by the way. This is just constant harassment I get. So I get aircraft flying right over the top, helicopters, planes, you name it. But they love to use this guy here. So this is your police state, Stasi state. This is your taxpayers' money being used to target an individual. So on that note, I'm gonna end the recording, and yeah, that's about all I gotta say on the matter. So just to let you know that I will keep exposing you people as long as you keep harassing me, and even if you stop harassing me, I'm going to talk about this program. So do what you want, but I'm going to keep exposing what's being done. So